Hi dear beautiful ladies, this is absolutely beautiful. I love this bold look, lovely style for a lovely lady. You'll find alluring and captivating short natural hairstyles and haircuts for black women right there. You'll find so many coily short hairstyles to give you that beautiful look. You'll find natural pixel haircuts and hairstyles to give you that standout look. So many protective hairstyles for your short natural hair right here. Beautiful and amazing hairstyles and haircuts, especially if you maintain a natural hair and you're wondering what to do with that hair. You don't just go on braids. You can actually try this once in a while for yourself just to have that style change for your hair look. So amazing styles right here, ranging from the TWA down to the coily style haircuts and hairstyles, ideas, and of course inspiration to get you by every single day or every time of the week. Lovely and amazing styles, beautiful cute styles right here for your natural hair. Wonderful way to protect your hair from other vices. Amazing ideas for you that wants to remain beautiful, trendy, but yet simple. So watch this video through the end. Check out what we have for you already on our platform. We do have gorgeous styles like this as well within other videos within the platform. We want you to check those out as well. Let's hear your thought about the video on the comment section. Share this video with loved ones and friends. Keep coming back for more. Leave us that like, that thumbs up to support what we do on this platform. Keep coming back for more. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.